Hello everyone, this is Toshali and welcome again to my YouTube channel Toshali's Makeover. I hope you all are doing well. Those who haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, or if someone is watching this video for this first time, please go and subscribe my YouTube channel. There is a bell icon below this video. Please press this icon so anytime I come online and upload a video, so you will be notified. As you can see the caption of this video, you all got to know that today we are going to talk about kajal. I have seen wonderful ladies with beautiful eyes doing horrible things with makeup. I really have seen some people wearing kajal like scrubbing your floor with a scrubber. And I wouldn't say anything in this video if the result would have come nice. Once I scared myself after seeing someone wearing kajal like this way. She was absolutely looking like a panda. An absolute panda. Since so many people wearing kajal halfway, like it started from the outer corner of your eyes and it ends in the middle of your eyes, and that too so prominent. It's okay to wear kajal like that way, but you need to make a smoke out there. If you're starting from here, it has to be smudged and camouflaged by the middle of your eyes. As simple as that. I thought let's give it a try to a makeover which is needed for the daily life. So many type of eyes are there, like small, big, hollow, sunken, hooded, etc, etc. And wearing thick kajal on the lower lash line doesn't look with every kind of eyes. So there is a trick and I'm going to tell you the trick. So this is today our video is all about. Let's not kill any more time over here and let's start with the makeover. Before starting the makeover, I want to tell you that I already have done my hair today. As it is about kajal, so I have chosen a hairdo which is little ethnic, and I have clipped few flowers which is false. It is something look like this, so realistic, but it comes with a clip and a safety pin on the back side, so you can give it a try. I already have done my skincare before starting the makeover. I will priming my skin with the primer before putting the color. If you wanna know what are the makeup products I use for my makeup tutorial, you can check out the link which is showing on the screen upper corner. So now I'm going to make my eyebrow with a brown gel eyeliner. It always gives me a nice prominent dark finishing effect. That is why I use this one. As you can see the result, it is little dark, prominent and a little dramatic because I like dramatic eyebrows. Now I am going to make my eyes with Manish Malhotra 4-in-1 eyeshadow palette. It's a new palette today what I am using. You won't get this palette in my previous video. You can see I'm making my crease line with a very soft color without shimmer, and I'm spreading the color towards the lids.
You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how you say.
Now I will copy it on the other eyes.
You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna.
With the same color, I will make a smoke on the lower lash line. I will make the base little thick on lower lash line. As I am going to make a smoke with kajal on lower lash line, the base should be always little wider than the kajal.
Take it slow, who cares where we gotta be?
After putting the base, my eyes will look something like this. And now I'm taking a darker color from my Huda Beauty palette and I'm putting it on the corner of my eyes. After gently putting it, just smudging it off and doing the same thing on the other side of my eyes.
I know I'm not easy, I drag you out your mind. And there
Now
are
here is a small trick that I'm going to give you. Do not wipe it off your color from your brush. Hold the brush and gently rub it on the lower lash line where you already have created your base. I already put a golden shimmer color on my eyelid as a base eyeshadow color. I forgot to mention that earlier. So now I'm going to use the most important color, which is black. With the black color, I'm trying to make a smoke on my lower lash line. I have started it from the outer corner and coming towards the inner corner. The main thing which is going to help you to look little different, as I'm making a smoke with black eyeshadow on my lower lash line, so it cannot be so prominent. A very bright shimmer color to make inner corner brighter. Now this is Faces Canada Kajal, which is one of my SOS, and we have to be very careful when we put the kajal. Very gently I'm putting it on my waterline. Be easier to put on waterline if you choose gel format kajal. This is not supposed to spread from the waterline. It should be a thin layer of kajal on your waterline. Your thin layer of kajal should complement the smoke you have created on your lower lash line with black color. Take a small or slanted brush and with the help of black eyeshadow, make a very thin smoky line on your upper lash line.
Cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know.
Eyes are almost ready, so now I have done my base makeup on my face.
I just wanna be happy.
I really do not like baking so much, so I put a thin layer of translucent powder on all over my face. The contouring part as well. I have a little fluffy face, a little round nowadays because I have put on so much of weight. So I'm concentrating a little bit on contouring on my cheekbone as well as my chin.
We all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone. Cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my.
Do not forget to contour your forehead, as I have a big forehead, so I have to contour my forehead. The blush, and after putting the blush, put highlighter, and I'm a big fan of highlighter. Even if I'm going somewhere and doing not so much of makeup, but I don't forget to put highlighter because I love my skin glowing. Highlighter everywhere you can possibly put.
pieces that I lost in the lobby. I put you against the wall, you had us body to body. I can't help the way you make me feel, it's so hard to copy. Let's find common ground, meet me in the lost and found, yeah. Dark days turning into dark nights. I hit the strip and spend it all, I'm having hard times. That reminiscing had me looking through the archives. I seen a picture of you looking like a star shines. And you're bright, 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 bright.
Now I'm putting lipsticks, as I'm not using a lip liner because I know my lips very well, the shape of my lips. So if you are not that much of confident about shaping your lips, so use a lip liner before you put lipstick on your lips, and then you try to put lip color. I have chosen a light soft pastel pink color, which is complementing the flowers I have clipped on my hair. If you want, you can pick any other color, but with this makeover you should choose a soft color, a nude color. It would be better if you go and choose a nude color. Nude colors always complements smoky eye makeover. So finally, the lash I have chosen a little longer lash, but not so heavy, not so dark and heavy, not so intense, I would say, but the length should be a little longer because I think this lash will complement my looks. And finally, I'm putting mascara on my lower lashes, and the look is ready. So everyone, this is my final look. I hope you all like it. If you like it, then try it at your home and click it and send it to my Instagram and Facebook pages. Do like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep supporting, show me your love. Love you all. See you soon on my next video. Till then, toodles.